back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys this absolutely beautiful style by TressAllure. I love this style. It is so cute. Now do keep in mind I have not a lot of natural lighting, actually no natural lighting going on right now. I just have some ring lights. So it's kind of portraying a little bit more warmth in the color than I feel like it is. So speaking of the color, this is 24102 R12 and this gorgeous style is called California Beach Waves. And like I mentioned, this is from TressAllure Wigs. This style is great. It's been cold and snowy here. You know, I'm wearing a jacket, trying to stay warm, but this blonde California Beach Waves wig is giving me summer and spring vibes and making me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. It's just gorgeous and fun and just flattering and pretty, gives me the hair that I've always wanted. This is definitely your beautiful beach wave wig. You have long, heat-friendly synthetic fiber. You have these long, wavy, beachy layers accented by this feathery, cute bang. You have a fantastic combination with this lace front and monofilament top. With this bang, it can sweep across the forehead, but you can wear it away from the face because of this absolutely beautiful lace front. Like, look at that. It looks so good. That mixture of color looks amazing. With that dark root, the lace front still looks impeccable. It looks so good. I think it looks amazing. In fact, wearing it away from the face to show off that lace front, I think I need to do. So before I move on with more details of this California Beach Wave, let's talk about the color. The color 24102 R12 is a gold blonde with platinum highlights with gold brown roots. So you do have that warmer root. Honestly, even with this lighting, I feel like it's not like over warm. Yeah, that root is not overly warm to me. In fact, even in this lighting, I feel like it looks more neutral, but that's what it's described as, is like kind of a warm goldeny brown root. This does have that golden blonde, but because it has platinum highlights, I feel like it really softens it up and it's just a fantastic mixture of color. Here's a closer look. And I'll show you guys an even closer look when I take this wig off. Okay, let's do a full turnaround of this California Beach Wave and show you a full 360 of this lovely style. Definitely multi-textured, and I'd say this hair is just a dream. This is from the Look Fabulous collection by TressAllure, and this is an average size cap. I feel like this wig is true average in size. It fits me really well. It's nice and snug, yet very comfortable. Okay, let's take this beautiful style off and show you guys the underside of the cap construction. Okay, what you have here is this gorgeous 1 1/4 inch lace front. You have this undetectable hairline that's individually hand tied. And then what you have is this monotop, and this is also individually hand tied. This sheer soft hand knotted mesh gives you the ultimate comfort, and you can have room for multi-directional parting. It looks like the hair is growing out of your scalp. You can part it every which way and take a look at that. It looks incredible. You have open wefting. It's great for airflow, fantastic ventilation and cooling. This stretch wefting provides secure comfort and molds itself to the contours of the wearer's head for a customized fit. You have your velvet ear tab with the bendable wire, and then you have a velvety nape with the Velcro adjusters at the nape. Those adjusters help you loosen and tighten the style, help it feel more secure and fit your head more true to size. When styling this heat-friendly fiber, you want to keep the temperature between 270 degrees to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. A product that I think would be absolutely wonderful with this style is the TressAllure Wig Wax. I just think with these waves, these beachy waves, it can give it definition. You can style the bangs more back and fluffed if you want to. And if you guys haven't tried that wig wax, it's incredible. Just try it out. It is fantastic. Take a look at this gorgeous color up close. Pulling it up close, you can see more of the dimension with that goldeny blonde and then the more platinum blonde mixed. It's so pretty. Here's the silhouette. You can see that it kind of tapers down in these gorgeous layers. So it's like a little bit, you know, thinner at the bottom, but you can just see how it just tapers down, and it's so beautiful. It really accentuates, you know, the wave, that beachy pattern. Okay, let's put her back on. Now look how cute this style looks parted in the middle. It's so cute. I like even the bang, how it's like kind of tapered down into the rest of that wave. Oh, love it, love it. So you can have that side swept either way. You can pull it back, fluff it back, or part it in the middle and have it kind of cascading down with the rest of the waves. The total weight of this wig is 6 ounces. Your front is 5 inches. The crown on this California beach wave is 16 inches. Your sides are also 16 inches. The back is also 16 inches. The cap size on this wig is 21.5 inches. You have plenty of bulk and volume with this style, but because it has these multi-textured layers and these bangs, it just has a very beachy, natural look. The bangs are so cute. They taper into the rest of the style and frame the face beautifully. What do you guys think about California Beach Waves by TressAllure? I think it's beautiful. There are many brick and mortar and online locations where you can get this gorgeous style. I will have a store locator down below. I really love this style. It is absolutely phenomenal. One of my favorites from TressAllure, and I really do love this blonde as well. I'm ready for sunshine and you know, swimsuit weather. It can't come fast enough. But until that time, this beautiful wig keeps me feeling nice and warm. Go follow TressAllure on their social media platforms. I will have those links down below. And I want to thank you guys for watching and thank TressAllure for the opportunity to share this beautiful style with you guys today. Please like and subscribe and give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. And until next time, you guys, I will see you later. Bye.